Everyone, welcome to Google Chrome videos. In this video we are going to see that how can we disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. So to disable it, the steps are pretty simple. All you need to do is go to your Google Chrome browser, and once you have opened it, then you need to go to these three dots. So once you are on this, you need to search for the settings option. Click on the settings option. This will open the settings page for Google Chrome. Every setting related to Chrome that you want to customize, this is where you can do it. In the settings page, there is a left hand panel. From there you need to go to the advanced tab, which will show you the system option. Once you click on that, there would be an option to use hardware acceleration when available. By default it would be blue colored, that means it's available, it's on. So if you just turn it back to a gray color, that means it's been off. Now once you do that, you need to click on this relaunch button so that it relaunches Google Chrome, and then the hardware acceleration would be disabled. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.